From the coast to the mountains, North Carolina is a state of beauty, of ingenuity, of progress, of spirit. Today's North Carolina is a product of generations of investments made to serve the common good. We continue that tradition today with investments in infrastructure like roads, clean water, and new technologies. We invest in our people through schools, training programs, and support for working families. These investments have fueled North Carolina's growth, given us a wonderful quality of life, and helped make the Tar Heel State a player in the global economy. But of course, times are changing in North Carolina. Our economy, once based on agriculture and manufacturing, is now driven by technology, healthcare, and businesses that provide all kinds of services. New opportunities abound and new challenges too. The highways in urban areas are jammed while many rural areas are dealing with deteriorating water and sewer systems. And throughout the state, business owners are learning that thriving in the new global economy depends on an educated workforce. Now is the time for North Carolina to renew its commitment to investing in its infrastructure and its people. We're positioned to take the lead in this new economy, but there's something holding us back: North Carolina's outdated revenue system. The state's sales and income taxes were created during the Great Depression, and they worked for the economy we had then. Nearly all transactions involve tangible goods like clothes, food, or equipment. As the state's population and economy grew, so did the number of transactions and the incomes of residents. So growth in tax revenue was automatic. The state could keep up with the needs of its citizens and make major new investments like expanding its world-class university system. Today, those investments have paid off, but they've also helped our state outgrow its old tax system. North Carolina is now a hub of medical and technological research and industry, and numerous multi-state corporations call the Tar Heel State home. Many transactions involve services or new technologies. North Carolina's tax system isn't designed for this new kind of economy. Even as businesses thrive and our population booms, the state's outdated revenue system can't keep up with the growing demand for roads, technology, schools, and services. North Carolina policymakers are looking at how to change the state's revenue system so it works for today's economy. That means developing a system that brings in enough money to pay for needed investments and services while fairly distributing tax responsibility. The system also needs to be stable so that it automatically grows with the economy and doesn't need major adjustments from year to year. Legislators will need to take a close look at every part of the state's revenue system to make it more adequate, fair, and stable. Personal income taxes, sales taxes, property taxes, and corporate income taxes all may need adjusting. The accompanying fact sheets explain North Carolina's current system and how to make it better. The North Carolina Budget and Tax Center is committed to informing leaders throughout the state about this important process. Changes to the state's revenue system will affect every business and individual in North Carolina. The input of you, your colleagues, and your community is important to making sure North Carolina's new revenue system will fuel the state's growth and success for generations to come.